Into have been developing online learning platforms and building online content for over 6 years now, and this has been achieved with our expert developers creating bespoke technology to support the specific needs of our students. Our learning platform offers a 24/7 immersive learning environment whereby students can engage with teachers and their peers from all over the world through the learning platform. We have set up virtual live classrooms, live chat, group tutorials, discussion forums, and one-to-one support for the learning experience. Studying online means that our students can develop all of the key skills necessary to study at top universities all around the world, to include time management, autonomy of learning, but most importantly, the digital literacy skills required to both study and work in a modern world of technology.